Let me tell you a quick story. A few years ago, I met someone who could fit an entire year's worth of trash into a single mason jar. At first, I thought it was impossible. But as I talked to her and learned about her habits, I realized it wasn't about being extreme. It was about being intentional. Did you know the average person produces over 4 pounds of trash every single day? That's more than 1,600 pounds of waste a year, just from one person. But here's the truth, you can live with less waste without giving up convenience or comfort. In this video, I'm sharing 10 zero-waste lifestyle tips that are simple, practical, and totally doable. Let's start reducing our trash, one habit at a time. Number 1. Carry a reusable water bottle everywhere. Staying hydrated doesn't have to mean wasting plastic. This one simple habit can eliminate hundreds of plastic bottles a year. Plastic water bottles are one of the top sources of single-use waste. Invest in a durable stainless steel or glass bottle. Refill at home, work, school, airports, anywhere. Number 2. Ditch plastic bags, use cloth totes and produce bags. Plastic bags are everywhere and most end up in landfills or oceans. Let's switch to something better. Keep foldable cloth totes in your car, bag, or backpack. Use mesh produce bags instead of the plastic ones at grocery stores. Bonus, cloth bags hold more and look better. Number 3. Buy in bulk and avoid packaging. Packaging is one of the biggest contributors to daily waste. Here's a better way to shop smart and reduce trash. Choose bulk items like grains, beans, nuts, and pasta. Bring your own containers or paper bags when shopping. Avoid individually packaged snacks and single-serve items. Number 4. Switch to bar soap and shampoo bars. A small swap in the bathroom can eliminate dozens of plastic bottles each year. And it smells amazing too. Traditional shampoo and body wash come in plastic bottles. Bar soap and shampoo bars last longer and have zero packaging. Many brands are organic and smell amazing. Number 5. Use a safety razor instead of disposables. Disposable razors add up fast. A safety razor is better for your wallet and the planet. Plastic razors are tossed after just a few uses. Safety razors are metal, durable, and the blades are recyclable. They give a closer shave and save money over time. Number 6. Start a compost bin. Even in small spaces. Food scraps don't belong in landfills. Composting is easier than you think, and your garden will thank you. Composting turns food scraps into nutrient-rich soil. You can compost in a backyard, on a balcony, or even indoors. Reduces landfill waste and methane emissions. Number 7. Say no to disposable cutlery and straws. Eating on the go doesn't have to mean waste. Here's how to be prepared and waste-free anywhere. Keep a small pouch with a reusable fork, spoon, knife, and straw. Great for takeout, travel, and office lunches. Stainless steel, bamboo, or silicone options are available. Number 8. Buy secondhand instead of new. One person's past favorite can be your new treasure. Shopping secondhand is a win-win for the planet and your wallet. Clothing, furniture, electronics, and books can all be found used. Thrift stores, Facebook Marketplace, and online apps are great places to start. It saves money and gives items a second life. Number 9. Switch to cloth napkins and reusable paper towels. Reusable options feel better, work better, and look better. Say goodbye to constant waste. Paper towels and napkins equals landfill waste. Cloth alternatives are washable, durable, and more stylish. Pro tip: use dark colors or patterns to hide stains. Number 10. Refuse what you don't need. Sometimes the best way to reduce waste is to never accept it in the first place. Here's how to say no with purpose. Just because it's free doesn't mean you need it. Say no to freebies, junk mail, and impulse packaging. Refusing is the first step in the 5 R's: refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, rot. So, what was your favorite fact? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.